And this is the next My Jeep update. I'm working on the oil pump. As you can see, I've already assembled it. I didn't show that because I've already done it once before. This is my second new oil pump. I don't know what happened to the first one, but somehow I broke. When I pulled it out, I noticed it was loose here and it was leaking, and that may have been the overall problem. Didn't have a good seal. It's not going to pick up oil. One of the things I'm going to do, I'm going to check to see. I don't think they recommend it, but to put some kind of sealer around here. I don't know if I should. I didn't put any sealer inside. I should have done that too. But anyway, I'm going to check on that before I try to install it. I've got a few other things to do before I install it. Up underneath there, I'm going to check all my torque on my crankshaft and rod bearings. I think I loosened a couple of the crankshaft caps to release tension off that thrust bearing. I got to make sure they're all torqued down to 80 foot-pounds. Out for now.
My next update will be on priming and installation of this new oil pump. So thank you for watching the video, and hope to see you next time on the next update when we install this oil pump or attempt it. Thank you and goodbye.